Weaving. At this point, the weaver begins to weave the desired design into the textile by synchronically weaving the weft from the shuttle or shuttles into the warp, whose sets move up and down with the heddles that are managed from the pedals using the weaver's feet. The weaved Abel can now be made into different products such as bags, shawls, and table linens. As you can see, this old age tradition does not only showcase the artistic side of Ilocanos but also a great source of income for many of the men and women of Kawayan. The design technique that has been shown is called the cantarini or plain weave, the design Kawayan is most known for. It is recognized for its simplicity and use of vertical lines reminiscent of bamboo, the plant where the town got its name. The Abel Iloco threads are likened to the bamboo's interconnected roots that strengthened and shaped the town it is today. Abel Iloco is synonymous to Kawayan and has been since the first tree bark was used in weaving, and it has a long way since, thanks to the constant innovation of the few masters of the art left. But this living tradition needs people like you to help continue it for many more generations to see and experience. You can try weaving in Pag-abelan ni Tinay when you're in Kawayan and experience firsthand this beautiful tradition that weaved the town of Kawayan together. You may also take this tradition home to your family when you buy it in the tourism office of Kawayan when you're visiting.
Umayo padasin ti agabel dito'y Kawayan. Yup, that's Ilocano for come to Kawayan and experience this living tradition.